Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, these are my top 5 crochet hair options. I'm going to title this my 2024 crochet hair buying guide. Now this is a video for anybody who is coming off of my why you should do crochet hair videos or any of my other compilation videos. This is not my water-friendly options. I have a video for that. I'll link it down below. This is not my active-friendly options. I have a video for that. I'll link it down below. These are not even my longest lasting options. These are my recommendations for someone who's getting into crochet hair and wants to actually like it. There are so many people who comment on my videos and say they tried crochet hair one time, had a bad experience, and then never tried it again. They didn't like it. It tangled, it matted, it didn't look good, whatever the case may be. They tried it, they didn't like it. I'm giving you options for if you want to have a good experience. And again, these might not be the best long lasting hair. I have videos for long lasting, all of those types of things. This is what I would tell anybody who wants to at least give it a try. I promise if you try any of these 5 hair and you say, I don't like it, then I'm going to say, okay, you gave it a good go. Maybe it's not for you. I understand that. But so many times you guys try hair that I'm like, I don't even know that hair. I ain't even tried it. You had a bad experience. I don't know what to tell you. I'm only going to list 5 and I'm going to tell you the reasons why each are making this list. Now, we all know number 1 is the Freetress beach curl. I think that is perfect for someone who's getting started with crochet hair. One, the style of it looks cute. If you're looking for a cute style, it's high up there. If you're looking for a long-lasting style, it's up there. If you're looking for a water-friendly style, it's up there as well. It hits on all the levels of what a crochet hair should be. I think this is a good option for someone who is trying crochet hair for the very first time. I think if you give Freetress Beach Curl a go, and you have a bad experience, one, tell me why. Tell me why that experience is bad. And then maybe we can find a solution, but I don't see how that hair can go left. Now, caveat, I'm filming this video January 2024. If you're watching this in 2027 and the formulation is different, I don't know what to tell you. But 2024, and I tried it less than a year ago, and it was still solid. It held up really well in swimming and outdoor activities. I'm not somebody who does a lot to hair. I like a low maintenance hair. That hair was low maintenance as well. So it hit on all the fronts, and it is definitely at the top of the list. If you are walking into a store right now and you are inundated with options, I'd say go Freetress Beach Curls your first time. I don't see how you could have a problem with that hair. Number 2, in that same vein, I don't see how you could have a problem with the Amazon Goddess box braids. That hair, solid. I mean, it's not a maintenance heavy hair. You're not going to have to do anything. It's a no maintenance hair. Water friendly as well. How could it not be? Long lasting as well. How could it not be? Now, again, it's a cheat in the sense that it is box braids crocheted into your head. Box braids in general normally don't go awry. So you have usually good experience with box braids outside of crochet hair format. It's just, again, a way to play around with getting your hair braided without sitting in a chair for, 7 hours and 8 people in your head and, all those kinds of experiences that I'm hearing are happening in braid shops. I haven't had my hair braided in a salon format in a long time. If you try that hair and you have a bad experience, let me know how and why down below, because I need to understand. It's just so simple, so easy. The next hair, again, I don't see how it could go left. And it's not a hair I talk about a lot on this channel just because I think beach curl gets a lot of shine. But don't forget, I love that Rasta Free Dream Romance curl. Again, solid curl, loved it. Low to no maintenance, water friendly. Just an overall nice look. I think it's a longer lasting hair as well. There's not much I can say. I don't think that hair is going to mess you up. I don't think you're going to have a bad experience. And overall, I think it's a perfect hair for someone who is getting started. Next hair. I think everything so far has been good in the long lasting and the maintenance and all of this. This hair ain't gonna be your longest lasting hair. Ain't gonna be water friendly probably, but it's gonna be beautiful. But it's going to look good. And that's that Bobbi Boss Go-Go curl. I have retroactively had mixed emotions about that hair because I get comments every single day. Like, I got one, I think 2 days ago. This hair look good on you. This the best you ever looked. I'm like, I get those all the time. And I think I look good in that hair. I think I look good in that hair too. I agree. Visually, it was stunning. It was just on the other fronts of it. It just didn't hold up well. It didn't just do what I wanted it to do. But if you're getting in crochet hair and you're looking for hair that might last you 2 weeks, you're not looking for a long lasting style. I don't know how long quick weaves last, but I can only imagine they don't last forever. And you're using human hair for that. I think this is the equivalent of the quick weave for crochet hair. It's quick. It's a quick style for your head, and I think you're gonna look good. You're gonna look like you got a sew in. I got so many compliments on that hair. It was my birthday hair of that year. I went to Cabo with that hair. That's why I don't feel like it held up in water like some other hair I've had on vacations or near pools did. But when I tell you I look good, I mean, it's the photo that Amazon vendors steal from me all the time. Anytime a vendor steals my image, they always steal me in go-go curl. Every hair they steal is the go-go curl. I'm like, the hair don't even look, it'd be like an Amazon wave. And then they be stealing this photo. Ma'am, it ain't no way it look the same. How is this even possible? I know I look good. Stealers, I know I look good. Thieves out there, stop stealing this photo of mine. I always got to tell vendors to take it down. If you're looking for a cute style, like, I don't like crochet hair because it looks like this or it looks like that, it doesn't look cute. This is a cute style. And last but not least, it is the Kima soft dread hair. I don't see how you could get started with crochet hair and again that not work. If it doesn't work, let me know again down below why and how. That hair, water friendly, active friendly, long lasting, no maintenance. I mean, the list goes on. I know the one caveat is it's not going to be everybody's vibe. It's not going to be everybody's look. This is a very much so voluminous style. It's got a lot of bravos to it. It doesn't look like a natural occurring curl, but I mean, we wear, boho locks and a lot of different styles now. Not everything we do now has to have a naturalness to it. So if you like the naturalness of some crochet hair, maybe stick with the beach curl or stick with the roster free dream romance. But if you are okay with exploring a different option and you're just looking for something that's going to last a long time, look good for a long time, I don't see how you can go wrong with the Harlem 125 Kima soft dread hair. Now, overall, that has been my list of crochet hair that I just believe would needs to be in your buyer's bucket this year. These are the 5 hair that I'd say try. Try and let me know down below. If you have tried it or you plan on trying it and you come back later, pin this video, come back later, tell me your experiences, tell me what went right, what went wrong. Maybe I can offer some advice. Again, hair is subjective. Crochet hair is, I say, subjective. That you can have a different experience than me. These are all my opinions. And again, if you have different ones, let me know down below. As well as while you're down there, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up even if you didn't. We want all the love and support over here on this channel, as well as we want you subscribed. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the good content we bring for you over here on this channel. Make sure you have that notification bell on so you don't miss anything. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 to keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at Lia Lavon, which is a bit more real time and a few more shenanigans. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.